Guys, today I'm making s'mores. The things you need are graham crackers, marshmallows, and chocolate. First, I put the marshmallow on the cracker and I put the chocolate on the cracker. I don't have real fire. I have to use the microwave. Ask a grown-up for help. The marshmallow is going to puff up in the microwave. Then you have to put the top part gently. Then you have to let it cool for a bowl in your mouth. Enjoy! Yum yum! I love making this for my night snack.